sa upcoming. Okay. Ano, Potato Head, come on. Okay. Paki-prepare yung mga air drums dyan, guys. Kasi ano, 9:29 na. Mami drums. Enak tau. Nako. Makigwa yan, mga kigwa.
Igwa na gini.
Ayan, ayun, 9:30 na, guys. Pagsasumon muna ko, ha. Saglit lang talaga to. At wala yung sumon, nakikwa na. At di ako makasumon. Ayun. Guys, this is Alex of Sugar Rose Family and Sugar Rose Agency. Come on, let's rock and roll! That's all.
Ula ba ni mo sa...
Day ko, day nagparaw ka. Yeah, come on. Wala yung ano guys, wala yung mic. Come on. Please simply come and go. I'm dreaming of her. Chasing other guys in the sky. The sun is gone, the nights are long, and I am left while the tears fall. You think that I would cry? You know what it feels like. Be alone. Yeah. I found someone. Sing on the song. Thank you. Just better than I know. When you help me find a way to carry on again. Please cast into the sky. I'm moving on. Sweet begins to arise. She knows I was wrong. The nights are cold. The baby cold. I don't know why to like you love. You think that I would cry? When I found you know what it feels like. Being alone, yeah, thank you guys, thank you. I'll find someone new. From the summer of my heart is crushed by a pain I love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again? Yeah. Thank you. Ayan. Oh, wow, thank you. Thank you. Sino ba yun? Ay, nako. Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah. Bring me. Ay, thank you. Carry me. Away. Swing from the tunnels of my heart. It's past by a burning love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again? Swing from the tunnel of my heart. It's past by a burning love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again. Swing from the tunnels of my heart. This passed by a family love. Can you help me find a way to carry on again? Thank you guys. Ay,
New Orange Buckles.
sakitan guys ha. Ay, thank you. Ito, nag-loading pa. Ayun. Thank you guys. Thank you sa Rilo. Mamahalin Rilo yun. Thank you, manager. Yeah, let's get on. Yeah, win big, manager. All the small things to win. So please, I'll take one left. You're right, Miss Street. Always, I know you'll be at my show, watching, waiting, commiserating. Say yes, it's so, I will not go. Turns out, carry me, na 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 na. La 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 la. La 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 la. Guys, sorry talaga sa kalat guys ha. Minsan na talaga to. Wala na ako next week. Kayo naman next week. Thank you, Olympic. But late night, come home. Work sucks. I know. Till every roses by the share. So practice let me know you can. Say it as a song. I will not go. Turn the lights off. Carry me home. Na 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 na. Wala pa pala. Check mo na. Listahan check na ito ba? Dito na. Tapos ka na. Thank you, Winnipeg. Okay, go ahead, Winnipeg. Winnipeg, black, to the black. Speak wala, thank you. Adi John. Pero, nakapagod pala ako. Ay, singing the song, all night long. Turn the lights off, carry me home. Keep your head still, I'll be your thrill. Then I will go on to my little rhythm. Singing the song, all night long. Turn the lights off, carry me home. Ayun, ulit-ulit na lang. Akala madali. Ano ka naman po? Na-mix na tayo. Thank you guys, thank you, manager. Stop ko muna. Listahan check. Ito. Malapit na. Ayun, pasok sa banga. Saan ba yun? Ito. Okay guys, let's do the third
Music has
song.
that's what you
Ay, ads pa na. Titigwa na.
it's almost
Ayun, wala na. Do you have time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything at all once? I am one of those melodramatic fools. Neurotic to the bones, to the body. Yeah. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all takes setting up. I think I'm fucking up. I'm just paranoid. I am just stoned. I went to a street to analyze my dreams. Jesus is like a text that's bringing me down. I went to your he said my love's are bound to put my honey cause it's bringing me down. I get myself the creeps. Sometimes I might play straight on me. It all goes setting up. I think I'm fucking up. Am I just paranoid?
Lakasan mo yung sounds mo.
To control. So I better hold on. Yeah! Pasensya na sa kalat. Taas na to. Wala na to next week. Ay! Ha? Listahan check muna tayo. Yun. Sometimes I keep myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays trick on me. You're not setting up. I think I'm cracking up. I'm just
Yung sounds
paranoid.
mo!
And I just
Lakasan mo!
said, what?
Bingi.
What?
Oh.
What did you say?
Yung sounds mo, lakasan mo!
Ayan, nagkasunod eh. Yan, okay ba? Oh, sa kawan. Bakit?
Sige pa, sige pa!
Ayan, tapos na. Yeah! Listahan check na
Mahina
tayo.
talaga!
Halina, malakas naman yung kumanta. Malakas naman yung amat yung kumanta. Dito na tayo babawi. Ay! Diba? Amat sa amat lang. Next, sunod. Hello, Mama Insan. Thank you. Guys, napagin sa dapat tigwa. Tigwa, dapat tigwa. Magandang dalag. Yeah. Hindi tigwa. Bakit tigwa na? Bakit? Anyari dito? Iba pala yun. Naku. Ito pala. Sorry guys, sorry. Where'd you going open? But I want you to know I'm addicted to you. I can't pretend I don't care when you don't think about me. Do you think I deserve this? I try to make you happy, but you let it away. I'm trying to forget that I'm addicted to you. I don't want it, I don't need it. I'm addicted to you. Now it's over. Can't forget what you said. Said I never. When I do this, I'm heartbreaker. Heartbreaker. Think the day I met you, and after all I've been told, still I think I'm addicted to you. I think you know that it's true. Done 1,000 times to get you. Do you think I deserve it? I tried to make you happy. I didn't like you. That should keep you. That should leave anyway. I'm trying to forget that I'm addicted to you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. So sorry. Can't forget what you said. Yeah, I never wanna give this again. Heartbreaker. Heartbreaker. Kapagod talaga to. Naku. Wala ka pa. I'll be lying until the end of time. Naku. Wala na nga ako. Sige, thank you. Sige, thank you. Thank you. So, tapos na tayo. Yan, tapos ka na. Yung ka ng ano, ng mga pangmalakasan dito. Pangmalakasan nagsama ka. Ano, wala naman yung malakas. Ayun. Ito ba? Okay, pasok sa banga. Guys, thank you sa mga Dadilog, thank you, Dadilog, sa mga taga-Bag Agency, taga-ano, SRF, lahat na yan. Ito guys, ang malakasan na tama na talaga to. Yeah, go. Mag-ingay mga taga-sugar. Sugar mo na. Sugar! Yeah, come on. Let's get on. Yeah. This is Alex of Sugar Rose Family and Agency. Come on. Let's get them, guys. Come on. When the children in the world today, the little girls play of the world today. When the good comes to bad, the bad comes to good. But value my love like a should. Now we're going to please want to hold it. Because we want to forget it. Just because we don't get it. But I'm saying, maybe that we're going to commit it. Maybe 6 What's gonna play? We always got an inside line. Lots of fast and evolving in the past. You better stop top all around me kicking the ass. Follow me to the solo. Remember that? So what you wanna do? So when you wanna run with the surrender devil, what am I putting on your grill like a bear? Your force gets us one in the sun. It's like a rush on the red with your blood in your bed. You don't be upset when you walk in the palm. Don't be the one you're together when you walk. I know you wanna hate me. I know you wanna hate me. I know you wanna hate me. That's what I say everything's in lately. I know you wanna hate me. I know you wanna hate me. No, I know you wanna hate me. That's only good as everything lately. I know you wanna hate me. That's only good as everything lately. Yeah, suka talaga sa ano, kalat mo mo. O basta sana trabaho ngayon. Kasi they probably really know the secret or the combination for this life, so we gotta keep it. It's kind of sad when you know in a minute. But everything happens for a reason. I don't even know what I should say because I'm a media. I listen to an abuser. I analyze every second I say. Beating up my mind every second with my face. And everybody wanna run, everybody wanna hide from the gun. You can take it right to the love everyone, but you can take your head so my life no sir. Well, I want to turn your body back, but you're just denied your things. The slave is a listen, you know you too. I know you wanna hate me. I know you wanna hate me. I know you wanna hate me. You say it's all the one has everything lately. I know you wanna hate me. I know you wanna hate me. No, I know you wanna hate me. You say it's all the one has everything lately. Matigay siguro ang sige thank you sa lalagyan. Right. You wanna hate me? You say it's all the one has everything lately. Yeah, come on. No. Thank you, big win, big win. Bye! Hello, Mommy Dan, sorry. Oh, I know why. Now I know why. Why do you hate me? Now I know you wanna hate me. Now I know you wanna hate me. You say my one has ever seen anything. You say my one has ever seen anything. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Alam mo, time check naman tayo. Ayan, pinapos ka na. Ito. Dito naman tayo sa mga hindi ka hindi ka anong mabigat. Thank you guys sa tagapag-GG dyan. Thank you, salamat guys sa pagpunta. Ano ba naman to? Tingnan nga natin yung resibo. Ah, ito pala. Kita na.
Ayun.
Pasok sa banga.
Bridge Street Adult
Ako,
Boost.
search through ka
Adult
na.
level nutrients.
Nakakasira talaga ng aturan guys, yung ano. Mga birds to, mga gatas. Yeah. Puro tayo ang namatay mo mga kawan guys. Hello, Xiaowei. Lenong. Lenong ba yan? Lenong. Lenong ba yan? Ayun. Dito, may bigyan ng mga ano. Hello. Sorry guys. Thank you sa pagpunta kahit malalim na ang gabi. Kahit malalim na ang gabi, natabaw na. I can see out on my borders where I live. Eternity it seems you has got me by my soul to speak. When all the love from me, yeah. When anxiety I speak, the angels in my dreams, yeah. I touch you, demons of it, that's me. Well, I'm just so blind. Gotta take it slow. When I find my peace of mind, I'm gonna give you some of my time. Don't put a time on me. It took away my pain, simply. I'll love you right, be free. Thank you, boss. Thank you. You gotta love me, oh yeah. Where I go, I just don't know. Gotta take it slow. When I find my peace of mind, I'm gonna give you some of my good time. Thank you. Ate Jessica, thank you, Ate Jessica. Sana ka na. Ano po, sabi, manot sa pala. Thank you, Baba. Salamat, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Well, I get everything I need. I make my days a breeze. Guys, pakilabang lang sa mga bago pasok dyan. Take away my self-distraction. Cause little baby, I'm very sweet. All you want was about a bakit. So between the river, let me on your shore. I'll be coming back, baby, I'll be coming back for more. All I gotta be is sing, don't want. We die, but I'm so I'm not home, but good enough to go, but I will not endure. Yeah. Just so make it any gotta take it slow. One life, peace of mind. I'm gonna give you some of my time. One life, just a mind. I'm hiding up somewhere in the sea. When I find my I'm gonna keep your siguro kami na bukangan. Dito na tayo guys. Ano? Wait muna. Search muna natin. Buti nabuhay yung ano, YouTube. Kanina umaga, wala talaga to. Dito talaga to. Ayun, nakita ko na din. Ano bang, ayun, ito. Yep. Ay, ads ka na naman. Kailan ka bad trip ka naman ads. Ba't nagkigwa? Ano, naku po, anyari. Ayan. Thank you, man. Thank you sa lahat-lahat na mga andyan. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Closing time. Open all the doors and let you out into the room. Closing time. Turn all out the lights and order every boy and every girl. Closing time. Closing pa nga. One last night at the north, the famous you whiskey beer. Closing time. You don't have to go home, but you can stay here. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. Take me home. Time. Time going to go to the places you will be from. Wasting time. Someone wait for me. Tell your father so your sisters come. All the time. Together I can talk. Moving to the exit. I hope after. Wasting time. Every night beginning from somebody beginning somewhere. Yeah, I know you take me home. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. Take me home. Ayun guys, sorry sa mga balak talaga. At ito ang mga sa dito kasi ano, last na to. Ay, yeah, guys, sa pagkapasok ng dyan, guys, pwede pa kami pumunta kasi ano, 57 pa ng minutes pa pala.
Ay, pangit. Wala ka.
The time, closing time. Time for you to go out to the places you will be from. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. Take me home. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. I know you take me home. Take me home. Time. Every new beginning from the summer beginnings. Kala ko tapos na. Ayun. Thank you guys. 1 minute na lang guys. Oh, nakupo. Ay! Nakapagkala na kami ito mamaya lang. Wala na. Nakasang mamaya lang.